Hi students, today we are going to see an interesting lesson. So before we move on to the lesson, we'll discuss some part. When you visit some interesting places with your family or when you gone somewhere where you cannot forget that particular place. For example, imagine a museum or some exhibition places. So when you come to school on next day, most of you will search your friend, isn't it? Am I right? Yes. For what reason you will search your friend? Because you want to share your experience. So you went that particular place, no, you want to tell everything to your friends. So I visited this place was very nice. I have seen many things, I have learned many things. So like this you will discuss with your friends. We will all do that only. In this lesson, like you, there was a girl named Anita. She was very happy. She visited one place, she gone some place, okay. So she shares her experience with her friends. She also got some idea about her future plans. She also got some interest in that work. The name of the lesson is Robot Expo. So, what is the name of the lesson, children? Robot Expo. So, what is the meaning for Expo? If you know the answer, you can tell. Very good. Expo means exhibition. So, Anita went for a exhibition. The name of the lesson is Robot Expo. Expo means exhibition. Exhibition in Tamil, Kankachi. Robot Kankachi. So all types of robots are placed in that exhibition. If you see a robot, it is understood as a humanoid. Humanoid you all know. A machine that resembles same as a human being. But there are robots in fish. You can call it as fish robot. Ants, எறும்பு எறும்பு மாதிரி இருக்க robot. Butterflies, பட்டாம்பூச்சி மாதிரி இருக்கிற robot. So it is a machine. This machine you can say it as a fish robot, ant robot, like that. You can design it in any way, either as a human, fish, animals, or even can design it as a dancer robot. See, very much interesting, no? Dancer robot. You can do anything. So now we'll move on to the lesson. Anita meets her friends and shares her experience of a robot expo. So Anita meets her friends. So she want to share everything. Where she went that place, no exhibition. She want to tell everything. I learned this one. I learned many things. I have seen this robot, like that. So friends are asking, hi, you look excited. Anything special? You look excited. Excited means what? Excited means very happy. You look very happy. So what is the reason? Anything special? The friends are asking like that. See what Anita is saying? Yes, I went to the robot expo yesterday. I was so excited seeing all the robots. I am very much happy by seeing all such robots. So there are different robots in that exhibition. Tell us more. A humanoid welcomed me into the hall. Humanoid, as I said before, humanoid is a machine that resembles same as a human being. So this humanoid welcomed Anita into the hall. Hall means where you will living place, you can say. What is that? So friends are asking, what is that humanoid? Humanoid means what? So humanoid means what, children? A robot that looks like a human. So that is called humanoid. A robot that looks like a human. So again say with me. A robot that looks like a human. It even knew my name. See, it even knew Anita's name, the robot. I was so surprised and shocked that I stood there frozen. So Anita was so surprised. Surprised means unexpected happening, you can say. Shocked na adirchi aita. I stood there frozen. Frozen means orange poradu. Wow, I am just getting started. A robot just looked at me and named the things I had with me. So you'll get excited, no? Unexpected or not happening. See, I'm just getting started. So Anita, she entered and started to see all the robots. So one of the robots looked Anita and named the things which she had it in her hands. So what we will carry in hands? Bag. Very good. Bag. Others can also say. Yeah, very good. Water bottle, etc. So see, the robots knows everything. It named the things which she had it in the Anita's hand. Amazing. It must have scanned you with its eyes. Scanned. So the friends are telling it must have scanned you. Scanned means it will examine you. Scan means what? It will examine inside an object. It will scan everything and tell. Okay. The next robot danced for the songs played by the visitors. So Anita added to that. There was a robot dancer robot. So that robot danced for the songs which was played by the visitors. I suddenly found a butterfly sitting on my shoulder. So Anita's found one butterfly. That was not a butterfly, that is a robot butterfly. To my surprise, it was a robot. See, that was a robot butterfly. There were robots of ants and fish too. Not only butterfly, there was a robots in ants and fish. எறும்பு robotum, fish robotum இருந்தது. So she was very much surprised by seeing all the robots. So I have given some pictures, students. You can see ant robot, butterfly robot, a scorpion robot. See how they made this robot and all. Very much interested, no, to see all such robots. An ant robot. Wow. So friends are very much excited. They are surprised. They are asking, ant robot. Wow. Next Anita says, I saw a robot cooking dishes and serving all. So Anita saw one robot. It is cooking dishes. It is and serving all. Serving means to give food or drink to someone. It is giving all to the visitors. It served me an omelette. It served omelette for Anita. Don't we all wish for a cook robot at home? So we would all like to have cook robot, no? If we had, we will all enjoy. Isn't it? Yes. So next we'll see what Anita says. Adding to my excitement, a robot collected and dropped an empty water bottle into the dustbin. So see, there was an robot. So it collected all the empty water bottles, waste things, and it dropped. Dropped means அங்க அப்படியே போடுறது. So it uses dustbin. Then it advised all of us to use dustbin. Then there was a robot that asked me, do you want to make a robot? One of the robot asked Anita, do you want to make a robot? உனக்கு robot செய்யணும்னு ஆசையா இருக்கா? I eagerly nodded my head and said yes. So Anita eagerly shook her head and said, yes, I want to make a robot. I don't know how to make it. But Anita don't know how to make a robot. Then the robot replied, don't worry, I will help you. I will help you to make robot. We will both together will make a robot. Then it said, let us make a robot that can run. So for you to make a robot to move, when it has to work, there are three main parts. Okay, to make a robot, we'll see one by one. There are three main parts in this robot for the robot to work. First is the controller, where it acts as the brain. So brain is very important. So that you can call it as a controller, which controls everything. Second is the mechanical parts that will help the robot move. So second part will be mechanical. Mechanical, you can say that one part of the thing. So first is the controller. Controller means what? It controls everything. That acts as a brain. Second, what is the children? Second thing is mechanical part that will help the robot move. It will make the robot to move. Third one is the sensors that will help the robot sense walls and other things on its way so that it does not crash into these objects. So the third part is very important. Sensors in Tamil என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா a device which detects or உணர்வு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, that sensor part is very important for the robot to run. So this sensor part will tell the robot there is a wall in front of you. The people are standing. So you should not hit the object. You should not go and hit the people. So you should move. So this sense part only will tell the robot. All these parts work together to make the robot run. So all these three parts are very important to make a robot to run. Then I put these three parts together with the robot and made a robot myself. So Anita joined all the three parts, combined all the three parts and made a robot. This expo has made me really interested in robots. So she got interested in robotics. I am planning to make more robots. Will you all join me? So in future Anita decided to make more robots. So she is asking her friends, will you join with me? The friends are also very much happy. They are saying yes, we would love to join. So students, now itself we got interest in robotics, isn't it? Yeah, I know. So from the first lesson we are seeing the trick robot, my robot, and today robot expo. So one unit fully we have seen about robots only. So I think most of you have got interest, where you can also do robots in by using waste materials like cardboard box or by using water bottles also. Okay, you can simply make some small robot. Okay, I think you can all make a small robot. Okay, thank you children.